Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni says the newly discovered petroleum resources will be integrated into the economy. According to Mr. Museveni, proceeds from the sector will be deposited in a fund to boost Uganda's production, build infrastructure, and develop local human resource.
So we are going to get quick money from those people, those automobile users, aircraft people users, and we use the money to build a durable economy for Uganda. We shall use the finite resources to build the durable capacity of our economy.
President Museveni says oil money will also be used to fund science and innovation, as well as irrigation for agriculture. Uganda first discovered crude oil in 2006 in the Albertine Rift Basin along the country's border with the Democratic Republic of Congo. It estimates reserves at 6.5 billion barrels, with between 1.4 billion and 1.7 billion barrels recoverable. And the International Oil and Gas Summit, taking place in Kampala, hopes to attract investors to take part in the development of the resource.
For crude to be produced in 2020, the pipeline must be ready to deliver the crude to the international market. The refinery must be ready to receive the crude which is being produced. And so we are pursuing both these projects in a fast-track mode.
Uganda expects to identify a lead investor for the $4 billion refinery by February 2017, after two previous attempts collapsed earlier this year. Some of the oil will be pumped to Tanzania's Tanga port through the pipeline, whose construction plans are underway. Uganda is looking at 2020 as the year for the country to become a middle-income state, with more than 160,000 jobs created once oil starts flowing. And the process for oil to flow will require an investment worth $8 billion of oil-related infrastructure that includes drilling of wells, construction of central processing facilities, and feeder pipelines, among others. Baleke, CCTV, Kampala, Uganda.